In 1984, my family moved onto a farm in Swan River, Manitoba. You know, I've always been interested in this time period because this was the last time that my dad farmed for a living. My folks moved up there with a sense of optimism and hope for the future. But then a recession hit, and they had to end up selling the farm a few years later. After that, my dad fully dedicated himself to relief and development work overseas, and he never really looked back. So Swan River's always represented this kind of unique moment in my dad's life, where he threw himself headfirst into this dream of being a farmer. But it also represents the time that he had to let that dream go and choose a different path. Anyways, I've always been interested in that chapter of my dad's life. What was going through his head? So I asked my dad if he could take me up to Swan River and show me around the farm.
Those trees, that was our farm right there. Right?
Yeah, that's the farm?
Yeah. That's the farmyard. As I say, there's likely maybe a house and a garage. There's not that much there.
This is the first time my dad's been to Swan River in about 15 years. He doesn't know who currently owns the farm, or even if the buildings are still standing.
So what do you want to do
What?
when we get here?
I just want to go to the door and tell them who we are and see if... What?
You want me to come or should I stay here?
Yeah, you can stay. Let me just go have a look. Yeah, everything's good. I had a good chat with him.
Yeah? Do they want me inside or no?
Doesn't matter.
Could I follow you in?
Yeah, sure, come.
Okay.
Come in. Yeah, come. Oh, yeah.
Come on in.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my son, Paul. Yeah.
Oh, please meet you. I'm Norm.
Good to meet you, Norm.
Norm
Warnick.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just walk right in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's transformed, you know. It was just a really rough place.
Oh, yeah.
And there was one wall in the living room was slabs. There was no washroom, no nothing.
Okay.
And so we did some, and you did a lot more. And is that still the washroom in there?
The washroom right in there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was David's room.
Which one?
This one here, I think. We kind of shaped things a little bit then already. Yeah.
This was your bedroom?
Yeah. Yeah. They've done a nice job. Yeah, here there was a low door. He put a big door in. Yeah, put new flooring in and everything, like even this manhole, did a beautiful job. There's two little granaries there. There were many more granaries at that time. And then we had three big ones here in front. 2 or 3 metal ones in front here. Huh. Yeah. And one time lightning struck, it hit those evergreen trees. And one of them, I see they've taken it out now, but it was hit by lightning. And the force of the lightning kind of broke one of our living room windows.
Wow.
Yeah.
What was it like when you were farming here?
Well, it was good and bad. Oh, it was really nice being here as a family, as a unit. Mom and their 2 children.
Yeah.
It was a peaceful life. What had its challenges. It was a small farm, and although we grew good crops, but the grain prices went down every year to where it made it quite difficult to continue farming. So I had to work very hard off the farm to keep paying monthly bills.
Yeah.
And in time, we kind of looked at it and looked at it quite seriously and thought, well, we can probably keep farming here, but it's going to be extremely difficult. Financially, this might be impossible or next to. And we decided to do something other than farming. I had lived overseas before. I'd enjoyed working with MCC, so we explored options with MCC again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, having come here, farmed here, lived here, left here. What does this place represent for you?
This place represents a chapter in our family's life that we cherish even today. It was a very nice family time. We would have loved to have raised you for more years here, but we weren't able to. Given the conditions, circumstances that we face, we weren't able to. So it's a very special place, and we're very thankful that we had that time here. That we had that experience in our life. I probably didn't actually yearn for spending my whole life as a farmer. I probably was hoping, well, I was thinking about a bit of a bigger world than just Swan River Valley, you know?
Yeah.
And so that worked out well. We were able to do that.
Yeah.
But in order to do that, we had to leave here. So, yeah.